Hello everyone. Today I'll start with the topic the energy conservation principle with the help of simple pendulum. So as we know what is the energy conservation principle, that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only converted from one form to another. In the other words, we can say that the total energy of an isolated system remains constant. Earlier we have done with the example of free fall. Now today I'll do it with the help of simple pendulum. So again I have taken three positions: position A, position B and position C. So on position A, if you'll see on position A, the potential energy will remain 0. Reason is you'll think the object is stable here, so it must be having the potential energy. But on ground the height is h and the formula for potential energy is mgh. So if in mgh h is 0, then potential energy will remain 0, and the kinetic energy again, it will remain maximum as the value m g h lies. Earlier we have done in the free fall description that how the kinetic energy remains mgh. Now coming on to point B. As on point B we are having some height, but have you seen the pendulum on extreme positions? It usually take rest. On extreme position it will be a stable one, so the potential energy here will be having the maximum value of potential energy as mgh, but here as it is taking a rest, the kinetic energy will become 0. Coming on to the third position C, again it's an extreme position. So here's the same, on the same we have done with B, same is here on point C, that it is having some height h, so potential energy again it will be having mgh and kinetic energy will remain as 0. So you can see on the three positions A, B and C, the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy will remain constant. So it is proving the energy conservation principle. So with this I am ending the energy conservation